Xiaomi is set to launch its next flagship phone series, the Xiaomi 13 series. It was supposed to be launched on December 1st, but it was postponed to December 11th, although this release is just for China. We might have to wait for a global release until a few months later. However, we already know a lot about them, as these phones have both been leaked and teased extensively. The rumors so far seem promising, and they can be big competitors to the iPhone 14 and the Samsung Galaxy S23. Some details that Xiaomi has confirmed about the new phones are that they will use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Both the regular and the Pro model will have a 75mm telephoto camera with 3.26x optical zoom, and the main camera on the Pro version will have a 1-inch sensor. Here are the official camera samples from those two lenses. The vanilla model will arrive with a flat E6 AMO LED display that measures 6.28 inches. It will come with leather and glass back options. The Xiaomi 13 Pro, on the other hand, will have a 6.73 LTPO AMO LED QHD Plus screen with curved edges. Both will have a 120Hz refresh rate. The design of the standard Xiaomi 13 looks similar to a mix between the Xiaomi 12 and the iPhone 14, while the design of the Xiaomi 13 Pro is much curvier because of its curved screen. The Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro will be LPDDR5X RAM equipped with UFS 4.0 storage. The regular Xiaomi 13 will come with a 4500 mAh battery offering 67-watt fast charging. The Pro variant, meanwhile, will feature a larger 4820 mAh battery allowing for 128 fast wired charging, as well as 50-watt wireless charging. A brief hands-on video has leaked revealing the Xiaomi 13 will come with 8GB of RAM, 126GB or 256GB of storage, and Android 13 mentioned on the settings screen. While a leak on the 13 Pro variant showed 12GB of RAM with 256GB or 512GB of storage. The new phone is rumored to have a 50-megapixel main camera with a large 1-inch sensor, as well as a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 32-megapixel selfie snapper. The addition of a telephoto camera will make this phone a great choice for anyone who loves photography or videography. Telephoto lenses aren't only for zooming in on pictures, they're also useful because they make the photo seem to have more depth, and you can get close to your subject without moving yourself. These characteristics are just as valued when filming as they are when taking still photos. While there are still some unanswered questions, such as pricing or availability details, Xiaomi is sure to come out with something impressive. We will just have to wait and see. Stay tuned for more updates on the upcoming release of the new Xiaomi 13 phones. Thank you for watching. What do you think about the upcoming Xiaomi 13 series? What features do you want to see on these phones? Tell us in the comment section below. Guys, and the most important thing, more than 90% of the views on this channel are coming from people who are not subscribed, so please make sure to subscribe to not miss any new videos. Don't forget to press that like button and share if you enjoyed this video. Till the next one.